Guys, I found the perfect way to put on these magnet lashes. Okay, so guys, you're going to take the lashes and you're going to pull them apart, okay? And this is the shorter part, right, guys? So what you guys do, you take the first layer, right, after you put your mascara on, and you bend the lashes and sit them just like that on your eyes, guys. Sit them neatly. And then you take the second one. Got to make it sit right there on the band, guys. It's always harder when you're doing videos. So you sit it right there on the band, and then you take the second one and click it. Sandwich it right on there, guys. Like it's sitting on. I got to do it over. But you're going to sandwich it. Sandwich. I can't even talk. So this one, guys, is going to sit. Even it out and sit it right there. And then take this one. Come along and click it. Click it. Right there. So I found that that is the best way of putting on these magnet lashes. Sit the first one just right on there, and then come along and you click the bottom. So that would be the easiest ways on putting on these lashes, to just sit the top one on your lash, bend it a little bit, and then the other one is going to sandwich right under there. So we're going to take the second one. And as always, when I'm talking, things seem like they don't work the way that I would want it to work. So I'm taking this one, guys. And if you guys can see, I'm just going to sit it on my lash line. You see that? And I'm going to take this one and pop it right underneath there. And that will be the perfect way of putting on your magnet lashes. Because if not, guys, even with the tool, it's really hard to put them on. But just take them, and once you sit the first one on here, guys, sit that first one, and then just take your finger and that bottom one, guys. And these is for the magnet eyelashes, guys. So just take it. I learned that tip off of YouTube, this lady. Well, she cut hers in 3 pieces. But I realized once you flex it and just sit it in the right spot, guys, and then just take the other one and just hold it evenly, and it'll just sandwich it. And your magnetic eyelashes will go on perfect, guys. So I wanted to share that tip with you. So that would be the way that you guys would do your magnetic lashes. Put the first one on first, and then just even it and pop that bottom one on, guys. And it will be like easy breezy. Thank you, guys. That is the tip for the magnetic lashes. In this little case, guys, I got when I bought these lashes, which was horrible. They come in 2 pieces, which don't even go all the way over. But what's great about these, it's got a magnet in here. And when you're done with your magnet lashes, you just put it in there. And that stop them from, if you guys see, see? It's got a magnet in there. So your lashes, that you won't lose them. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye. Hey guys, here are a couple still shots of those magnetic lashes. I picked those up at CVS, guys. And this tips and trick work perfect, guys. And if you guys want to try this out, flex and bend the first script, put that on, and then come along and sandwich the second one on, and this tip works great. Here's a couple images of magnetic lashes for those of you that might want to see what they look like. Thank you guys so much, and hope this tip and trick work out for you. Have an awesome day.